Hi everyone. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to make a overlay, well, not an overlay, but a countdown timer when you're starting a live stream in Streamyard so that you can do some things behind the scenes for the 5 minutes before when the stream starts. I find this very useful for platforms like X, which do not schedule out the live stream, and that allows me time to be able to share it on my account as well as add in replies with any information that I want. Also to send the recording to or the live stream link directly to people so that they can join right away and see that it's happening and started, so they are interested in participating and joining the stream. And so I'm going to show you how I did it, how it all works, and make it also give you a template so that you can just personalize it to your brand, what you're doing, and add it to your StreamYard account. So let's get into it. So I'm just going to go ahead and hide that. So you'll see I am in a scheduled live stream. Now this is for Sunday. Today's Wednesday. It doesn't matter. I can go in and make changes to the content within my StreamYard account in any stream. So you can create a new one, you can recreate a recording, you can open one that you have scheduled. As long as I don't hit the go live, I can do whatever I want to in here and it won't affect the stream. So where I want to be is in the brand tab. So when you first open a stream, it defaults to the comment section so you can see people's comments when you are live. But you want to go to the brand tab, and this is where you see a lot of features. Now you need a paid account to use these features. And if you would like, you can use my referral link to StreamYard and get $10 off a month, your first month of the paid plan. So you can give it a try. I find that the $25 a month paid StreamYard plan to be excellent for all the things that I need. So just so you're aware of that. Now there's overlays, but that's fairly straightforward. But down here is the video clips. And so I've created several different video clips that I can play at any point. So if I start the live stream countdown for this particular show that I do weekly for my social media workshop, I just click that and it starts ticking away. Now, no one's going to see this until I hit that go live button. So if I wanted to restart it, I just hide it, start again, and then click go live, and the counter's already going. Okay. So that's how this works. And what I'm going to do is show you how to make one of these. So here we go. I am in Adobe Express. This is my preferred tool for making graphics. I am affiliated with them, but it is a free tool, so you can use a lot of the features that I'm going to show you. Other apps that are great for this would be Canva or whatever graphics editing tool you like to use. But it needs to be able to have video capabilities where you can download the file as an MP4. So the first thing I want to do is to make a blank document. And here we just press the plus sign. And what we want is a 16 by 9 formatted size. And this is your standard horizontal video. I will say if you are doing the portrait format in StreamYard, which is available as a format, you would want to do this just inverted so that it is 9 by 16. Now, one of the very cool things in Adobe Express is they do have some video for us already that we can use for a countdown. So we just go to the media section here and go to videos, and then we can just search for a countdown, and you'll see a bunch of different countdowns. Now they have all different lengths from 60 seconds, there's 10 seconds, 5 seconds. So you'll see there's lots of different ones here. This one looks like it's 20 seconds. So you just find the one that's the time that you want and has the kind of cool style that you're looking for. But what I like is this one up here. That's 5 minutes. There's one here that's 1 minute, and this one's also 1 minute. So you can kind of decide which one there is. If there's any other long ones, here's another one that's a minute. Let's see if there's any others. 3 minutes here, that's another good one. So 3 minutes. So you can experiment with these and see which one works for you. I like to have 5 minutes because I just like to have that time. So I just click on that, and now it's on my timeline here, and you'll see the entire length is 5 minutes all the way from 5 to 0. Now, this is the same one that I used on my account. So when I add it here, you'll see it. It's 5 minutes. It's the same font and everything, but you'll notice the colors look different. So what I did to change the colors to more better fit my brand is I click on the video and I go ahead down to effects. And then here I can click the custom duotone and then click it again. And now we have our duotone swatches. The shadows, it's going to be close. It's going to closely match the background. So we just click on that. And that's once that's selected, we can select whatever color we want. We can go with a swatch or we can go with a custom color and find whatever we want. Now your audience is going to be staring at the screen while they wait for the live stream to start. So it's probably advised to use something that's calming to the eye and not too jarring or uncomfortable to look at. So shadows, that will be the background, and then highlights, we can go ahead here and pick a highlight color, whatever we want, or we can do custom, okay? So once you have that looking how you like, what I suggest is going back here and let's see, clicking on the video and the 3 dots. No, that's not it. This 3 dots here and just locking that. So then that way we can add anything else we want to add to this design without having to worry about moving or changing this video. So from here, I can add whatever text I want. So they have certain types of text kind of already formatted for us if you're looking for something that's kind of a nice design. So we could pick something like this, move it to where we want, and increase the size or make any changes that we want. And then we could, of course, change the color by clicking. So this is a grouped item altogether. This is grouped. It's multiple things together, but all we have to do is click on another part of it. And now we have this part selected, and I can change the color of the text to whatever I want. And then click this up here to change the shape color, which is this brown, to match the blue. I'll just grab the eyedropper so that matches. And then these 2 items here, these are each individual item. So I'm going to have to just click on this, click on that again. And it looks like it's got a blend of pass-through applied to it. So I'm not able to change this brown. If I ungroup it, let me see if that will let me now. No. So what I would do is I would just delete this if you want it to be a different color. So I don't think that harms the design at all. You know, sometimes there's issues like this where you can't change things. So just go ahead and delete them. And if we needed to target something individually in here and you're having trouble selecting it, you can select the layer here and open up the layer, and there's the different items in there. Okay. And then the next thing we can do is change the font if we want the fonts to match. So we just click on the text again, and it gives us recommended fonts here. We could pick something like that. And this font is called Broadacre. So then we could go up here, click this one, and go ahead, drop down, and then Broadacre should be there. Yep, because we just picked it. And now it has that font. And of course, we could change this text to say whatever we wanted to. And if you wanted to maybe replicate that underneath as well, we could just click and hold down the Option key and bring that down. And the same thing with this, and kind of invert it a little bit. There we go. Something like that. Or we can ungroup this now. There we go. And I could do something like this if I wanted, and have promotions about what I have coming up soon, or a call to action, for example, like watch the next video, anything like that. So these are just some suggestions to make that better. Here we go. So something like that. And we could even do the inverse here. What I could do is take this and this, copy, and then just switch places. There we go, something like that. And move it so it's lined up. There we go. All right. So, and then you can add whatever text you want, or you could start from scratch completely. You know, this is just to give you some ideas of starting points, and you could always go ahead here, make sure you add your logo on, you know, put that somewhere, maybe your social media links, you know, so people can know where to follow you, or, you know, have the title of what the live stream is about, how often it is, call to action, and then of course your social links of where to follow you. Now, what's kind of cool is this is great countdown, but we don't have any music. So what I would suggest is creating some music, because we can use AI to create background music. And this is Suno, and it's probably the simplest one to use right now. And it can create songs up to 4 minutes. So for a 5-minute countdown, we'll probably need 2 songs. And so once you create an account, all you have to do is hit create. And we can use the custom features here for it to create a song for us. Now we can choose it to be an instrumental, or it can have lyrics. So for example, I made a fun intro video that I had lyrics that talked about what my stream was about. So it's kind of a fun way to do it. But you could just do an instrumental and describe it however you want. It could be something to get people excited for the stream. So we could do exciting music, exciting live stream, background music for, and you can come up with anything you want. Combination of jazz and house music, and hit create. And this usually takes a minute or 2 to pop up. It's pretty quick. There we go. Now we have our songs ready. We can just hit play, and it makes pretty good live stream music to me. So once this is done creating and generating, you click the 3 dots here, and then you can download the audio. Okay, but it does take time to generate. But once you have that, you can download the audio, and all you have to do is click add audio and then upload from device. And then you can upload that, add it here, and then you can add the second song so that it's enough to play for the whole time. And once that's done, you hit download, and then you upload here to your video clip, and you're good to go. So I hope this video is helpful and give you some ideas for how you can incorporate a countdown into your next live stream. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.